A 750 ringgit PC? A gaming one?
Hey guys, 3 months ago, I posted on Facebook asking you guys, is it possible to play a game on a 500 ringgit gaming PC? I'm sorry to say, it's impossible.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
For you to play games on a 500 ringgit gaming PC, it's like, what, 30 FPS for all the games? That is bad. Due to the advancement of graphics for games, faster pace, it's almost impossible to catch up with those hardwares. So, I threw the idea out of the window. No more. But 2 weeks ago, this happens. I found the base for this PC from Facebook, the casing, the power supply, the processor, the RAM and the motherboard for 500 ringgit. Then I found the graphic card from Lawyer Forum Malaysia for 250 ringgit. This gaming PC consists of an i5-4440, 8GB of DDR3 RAM, 500GB of hard disk storage and a GTX 1050. Due to the crash of Bitcoin, crash of the cryptocurrency, the price for graphic cards is getting lower and lower, so I can grab this graphic card dirt cheap. Well, it's a good time to build your own PC now because parts are getting cheaper and cheaper. I mean second parts, so I encourage you guys build your own PC. It doesn't cost a lot to build your own PC. Plus, I did get something extra. I got a free Windows 7 license key, so I upgraded it to Windows 10. The key still works. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like and share the video. If you want to watch my stream, go to Only One on Facebook. I'll be streaming there. See you guys next time on the next video where I will show you guys how I make my 2 PC setup for streaming.